Alright everybody, welcome to Code Leveler. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem of the day. So the problem number is 2938. Separate black and white balls. Okay, balls. This is a medium problem. Okay, there are n number of balls on the table. Each ball has a color black or white. You are given a zero indexed binary string s of length n, where 1 and 0 represent black and white balls respectively. In each step, you can choose two adjacent balls and swap them. Return the minimum number of steps to group all the black balls to the right and all the white balls to the left. Okay, so these balls, you all guys get some intrusive ideas, I think. Okay, the topics given here are two pointer, string, and greedy. So, okay, so let me tell you what is happening here. S equal to 101. So, a string may contain 101, right? Zeros and ones. Okay, string may contain zeros and ones. So we are going to add zeros to the left, okay, and ones to the right. We are not going to just okay, we are not going to move this value zeros and ones. Okay, we are just asked to give minimum number of steps to move these values. Okay, minimum steps. So to make this 101 as 011, okay, which is a one step, we are just going to swap the indexes, right? But we are not going to do that one. Okay, let's just start with a brute force. Okay guys, I think we can use two pointer approach, a sort of two pointer approach, but not a two pointer approach. Okay guys, let me just start this one. Int count value is initially 0, and let's initialize the string length. Okay, let's start length function, and then for handling the edge cases, okay, the string may contain zeros and ones. Okay, so if the string's length is 2, okay, and the initial character is 0 and the next character to the initial is 1, we are now returning the c value as 0. Okay, else we are going to swap it and return the value as 1, or if the value is less than 2, we are going to return the value c as 0. Okay, no swap, nothing. Okay, let's handle the edge cases. Okay, what I'm doing here is for minimum values, but with the constraints we are given 10 power 5, I think we will be getting an error here. Okay, that is the time limit exceeding, which is not error, but you see this is handling a large values, right? Okay, let's just code this quick, and then I will just try to solve this in optimal method. Ampersand start caret of I is equal to 0, and s dot caret of j, sorry, this is 1 and this should be 0, right? Is equal to 1. If it is, let's just return the c value because no swap. Let me just copy this again. Paste this. if okay, and then let's just change this here 1 and this one as 0 and return c plus 1, and if the value is n less than the 2, that is 2. Okay, return c. Okay, I think these are the I have covered the edge cases. So let's just go to the problem quick. Let's just create a string builder. Okay, for what means this, for handling the swapping. Okay, because strings are immutable, right? For your understanding, I'm using to use string builder. So int I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1. So guys, I'm telling this quick again, once again, this is not this is just a brute force, not a two-pointer approach. This may look like a two-pointer approach because I'm using this. Okay, let's create a while loop to iterate through this string while of j less than n. Okay, and if of str dot caret of I is equal to 1. Okay, let me just copy this, I want to waste time, and is equal to 0. We are going to swap off. Okay guys, I didn't initialize this, right? No, I just initialized it. Okay, swap off str comma I and j indexes which we are going to swap c++ and I++ and j++. Okay, and another condition we are going to use where str dot, okay, I just copied, right, caret of I is equal to 1, and start again 1. I'm just going to increment the j value. Okay, and other conditions we can use, let me think. Okay, 0 if the first character is 0, and okay, guys, let me just use another condition, else if of str dot caret of I is equal to 0. Okay, caret of I is equal to 0. Okay, I'm just going to increment the I value, and what should I say, and j value, increment the j value. Okay, think this is correct. Okay, and let's just quickly return the value c. Okay, and let me create a swap function, private void. This is not going to return anything, so let's just create a void method, string builder str comma int I and int j. Okay, and once again, okay, sorry, left a line, right. So let me just swap it real quick. char t is equal to str dot caret of this I, and str dot caret of I is equal to str dot caret of j, and t is equal to str dot caret of j is equal to t. Okay, so I just swapped it. Okay, let's just run this. Hope this runs okay. Okay, I'm getting an error here. Unexpected type. Okay, unexpected type. So what's the problem here? Okay, okay guys, I think you can just create an array and swap the elements. Okay, let me just try it. Char char is equal to okay, str dot let to string function. Let me just first turn this into string and then turn this into character array to char array. Okay, thinks it worked. And then let me just use a temporary variable swap chars of I, and chars of I is equal to chars of j, and chars of j is equal to t, and once again I'm going to change the values here as str dot, let me just clear the string. Okay, string builder. Okay, and then append the value as a new string. Okay, are you getting it? I'm just going to empty this string. Okay, string builder. Okay, by setting the length of 0, I set the length of 0, which removes the elements from the string builder. Okay, and once again I'm going to append the values into the string builder by creating a string of this character array. Okay, string of chars, which is char, right? Okay, let me just change the name. Okay, let's just run this. This works, I think. Okay, want a statement char. Okay, so I'm going to get an error here, right? The naming. Which is a data type, right? We just name this as chars itself. Chars. Okay, let's just run this. Okay. Okay, once again. Okay, wrong answer. Getting your answer here, right? Okay, 0. Okay guys, I found this value j plus plus not. j should be incremented by 1, right? Because the j value can be like 1, 0, 0, 1, okay, like 0, okay, 0 as incremented in this next one, and this j plus 1 is incremented by I plus 1, okay, it's moving, right? I just a notebook before starting this video. Okay, let's just run this one. Okay, once again, doesn't make sense. Why is this happening? Okay, caret of 0 is equal to 0. This is correct, perfect. Again checking, 0 is equal to 1 and 0. C plus 1, return C, and I initialize the values in here. Once again, created a string builder, str int I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, while j less than n. Okay, I iterating through this. Is equal to 1 and equal to 0. I'm going to swap the elements, right? C plus plus, I plus plus, j plus plus. Once again, str dot caret of I is equal to 1 and str dot caret of, okay, this should be j, right? J, right? Okay, so runs. Okay, time limit exceeding. Why is it? Why is it exceeding time limit? Okay, it's exceeding the time limit, so there must be an error in the while loop. J plus plus. Why the hell this is happening now? Str dot caret of I is equal to 1. Okay guys, same error. Shouldn't have copied the text, right? Okay guys, it has run perfectly. My brute force actually worked. Okay, let's just submit this. Obviously I'm going to get a time limit exceeding because of this constraint. Look, okay, it's not a time limit exceeding, but okay, right, we are going to be needing a minimum number of extractions, right? Okay, so what should I change? Okay guys, I think I had just done option 3, right? Okay, I just swapped. Okay guys, I did what I had to do. I just swapped this one in here. Okay, this one becomes 0 some 1 and 1 0 1 1 0 0 0, and then again incremented the I value and j value. Okay, um, and then once again I incremented the j value and then swap this one, and then once again. So right, I just swapped them guys, but um, this one is expecting me to solve this in 6 value. Okay, so I think the problem self some. Okay, let me just try this in the optimized way. I had to come up with something, right? Okay, let me just change this one. So my brute force fails here. So let me just try to use the two pointer method perfectly. This time I think we will be getting some answer. Length function int steps which we are going to, that is the count value, right? Count value is equal to 0, and then the number of white balls to be occurring. So let's just increment the value for the value int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So if f start caret of I is a white ball, that is 0, I'm going to increment the value of the white balls. Okay, and if there is no white balls, I am going to increment the step value by the number of, that is the black ball. Okay, and I'm just going to return the value. Return count. This works it. Okay, first one is getting an output in here, and case 2 is 0 and case 3 is 3. So think, let me just check whether if this is a black ball. In other case, 1 black ball, and this quick. Okay, it's just accepted. Okay, what I just did here is getting the frequency of the number of black balls occurring. Okay, I just the steps represents the number of swaps which we are going to do, but this one doesn't make sense at all for this case. Okay, so let's just submit this if this works. Okay. What the fuck is this? Oh my god, my output is -179. What the hell should I do with this? Okay, this problem is testing my sanity level. Okay, let's just go to this description. Look at what people have said. Oh, some random guy used DP. Racism in LeetCode, perfect. A fuck should we use bubble sort? Code it up, but becoming up an algorithm is what making this is a medium. Okay. My wrong answer is just typically something. Sure. It's getting an error in here, but it should be solved by now. Okay. What is this? Think, man, think. Okay, it should be long, right? Sorry guys, it's my mistake. So let's just run this again and check. I've just specified as an int. Okay, it's the problem of my data type value which I specified. Okay, it sure this works. Okay guys, 11-day streak. Okay. um okay guys, this is my solution here. You should try run this to check out for yourselves. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and try to solve LeetCode and data structure and problem solving skill every day to be a master. Okay guys, meet you in another amazing video okay, tomorrow. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Until then, goodbye.